the accelerated tension that was witnessed in Siakago, Embu County. There has been a surge in motorbike theft, which the locals blamed on the Meru business fraternity that operates in that township. The conflict has been linked to tough competition in the Mogoka trade, which led to several Mogoka kiosks being set ablaze. The leaders convened a meeting to cool down the escalating tension. On Monday, Her Excellency Bishop Kawira Mwangaza visited Kangeta Ward in Igembe Central, where she issued development checks worth Kenya shillings 2.475700 shillings. These checks were given to 25 groups. Following the governor's directive in Metongo on Friday last week to curb illicit brew, Meru Alcoholic Drinks Control Board revoked 2 bar licenses in Metongo. After the community's petition against illegal bars in the area, the board led a contingent of enforcement officers in an inspection tour that led to the suspension of licenses belonging to 2 non-compliant establishments, which were situated in residential area in close proximity to schools, which is against the stipulated licensing laws. The governor also visited Mudhara Ward and issued checks worth Kenya shillings 2.640 thousand Kenya shillings to 26 women groups. Later, in a closed-door meeting, Her Excellency the Governor engaged a delegation from the Pharmacy and Poisons Board led by the Senior Inspector of Drugs, Julius Kaluai. Their discussions centered on uplifting and improving healthcare delivery in county health facilities. The Poisons Boards will go around and verify all medical practitioners in public and private health facilities in order to weed out unregistered medical practitioners. This comes after an impromptu check found 2 unregistered employees at the Mutwati Sub-County Hospital. As promised, Governor Kawira's administration has the public's interest at heart. This, coupled with our fight against graft, makes for a welcome partnership that will help remedy the issues ailing this sensitive docket. The governor has promised to work with the Pharmacy and Poisons Board to safeguard the public from unrecognized medical practitioners. This is to ensure expired medicines and unscrupulous medics soliciting money from the public in exchange for medicine will not find a place in our Meru County. The governor, while accompanied by a deputy and area MCAs, distributed checks worth Kenya shillings 2,305,800 to 25 groups at Limoro Chiefs Camp in Adwana Ward, Tigania West Sub-County. The Emergency Locust Response Project's funds are aimed at helping farmers in areas that have been adversely affected by drought to purchase agricultural inputs as they await the rains. Her Excellency later headed to the Angada Ward in Tigania East and issued Kenya shillings 2,594,620 to 25 groups. Since most of the groups already benefited from the Emergency Locust Response Project before the election, Governor Kawira directed the officials to embrace a more transparent criteria when picking the most vulnerable groups in the community. On Wednesday morning, the governor launched distribution of relief food at Kierua Chiefs Camp in Bori East Sub-County, where hunger-stricken families in the area received 250 50 kg bags of rice, 360 50 kg bags of beans, with the governor promising more will come as we get relief food from the national government. The governor expressed gratitude towards President William Ruto and his deputy Rigathi Gachagua for the consideration they have shown to Meru County in the fight against hunger. She expressed her resolve to work together with the national government to deliver substantive development to the people of Meru. Her Excellency promised to permanently end food shortage in Meru County, stating our priority will be provision of adequate water in all corners of Meru to support various agricultural activities. Further, she sent out a strong warning to unscrupulous individuals who divert relief food for personal gain. She will ensure that perpetrators face the full force of the law. She promised a transparent and unified process of relief food distribution from all unified lists, which will be prepared in the order of priority to ensure that every grain of relief food benefits deserving beneficiaries. The governor later flagged off distribution of 250 50 kg bags and 280 50 kg bags of beans at Timau, Bori West Sub-County. She encouraged beneficiaries to view this relief food distribution exercise as a short-term measure meant to give them a sustenance as they go out to fend for their families. Her Excellency anasema hii kupeana chakula ni kwa muda. Akona mikakati ya kuwezesha watu wetu wa Meru wameweza kupanda chakula vyao na waweze kuvuna. Governor Kawira later attended a governors and deputy governors retreat on public finance procurement and human resource management in Naivasha. The retreat, which was held at Naivasha, was a platform for key institutions and county governments to learn from each other and share best practices and enhance knowledge for smooth and seamless execution of their distinct but complementary roles. On Thursday, Her Excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza officially opened a regional eye unit and optical shop at Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital. The state-of-the-art facility, which has been fully equipped with cutting-edge technology and equipment, will promote efficient and affordable access to optical services both for the people of Meru and the region as a whole. We are grateful to our partners in the Vision Impact Project, among them Christian Blind Mission International, AIC Health Ministries, Kenya Society for the Blind, PIC and Fred Hollows Foundation. Kwa mapartners wetu, serikali ya county government ya Meru inasema asanteni sana, tunawakaribisha Meru, tuendelee kufanya miradi mingine mingi. Hapa Meru msikia mko nyumbani, na serikali yetu ya county government ikiongozwa na gavana wetu Kawira Mwangaza iko tayari kufanya miradi, iko tayari kufanya partnership ndio watu wetu wa Meru wafaidike. Afterwards, in the company of various health partners and the county health management team, the governor graced World Sight Day themed Love Your Eyes at Roire Health Center. To mark the day, Meru County Government Health Service providers joined the partners in performing corrective eye surgeries, offering free eye screening services, and issuing patients with free corrective glasses. The services will be rolled out in all the sub-counties. Her Excellency, Governor Kawira Mwangaza has been recognized as the official national ambassador of the Prevention of Blindness Initiative. Gavana wetu Kawira Mwangaza ndiye ambassador mpya wa kusimamia mambo ya kuangalia kwamba kupotea kwa macho nchini Kenya umepunguka ama umepunguzwa kabisa. Kwa hivyo kwa gavana wetu, Gavana Kawira Mwangaza, tunakuambia hongera kwa hiyo nyadhifa mpya, kwa hicho cheo kipya umepewa cha kuwa ambassador. Tuongoze vyema, na tunajua nchi yetu ya Kenya iko kwa mikono mizuri, wewe ukiwa ambassador. Congratulations, Your Excellency. Later on, the governor inspected Majengo informal settlement roads. The county government has secured donors who will construct roads in the areas of Mujini, Getimbene, Majengo, and Kaaga, where roads will be constructed through the project that is sponsored by our partners. As directed by the governor, an open participation forum to select youths who will participate in the project will be held. A majority of the labor must be sourced from locals who will receive a daily stipend of Kenya shilling 750 for the duration of service. The people of Majengo have been requested to come out in large numbers on October 18 at Majengo Social Hall and the Chiefs Camp so that they can take part in the public participation. Kwa hivyo kwa watu wetu wa Majengo, mnakumbushwa tarehe 18 Oktoba kutakuwa na ile inaitwa public participation. Mkuje mchague wale vijana mnataka wapewe hii kazi ya kulipwa 750 kwa siku, ndio tuwawezeshe tuwezeshe serikali yetu ya county government kuchagua wale vijana ambao wako na shida, na wale vijana tunawajua ni wa hiyo kijiji chetu cha Majengo. Leo or today, the governor in company of our deputy and other leaders visited Woro in Tigania West, Mwerere in Tigania East, Kangeta in Igembe Central, Lare in Igembe North, and Maua in Igembe South, where she oversaw distribution of relief food to the area residents who are facing food scarcity. Governor Kawira is committed to and has prioritized the realization of permanent drought eradication in Meru County. Governor wetu wako katika komiti moja na county commissioner na maafisa wote ambao wako chini ya county commissioner. Governor wetu ndio chair lady wa ile komiti. Ile komiti imetengenezwa ili waweze kupeana kile chakula cha msaada kwa watu wetu wa Meru. Ndio maana tunawaambia governor wetu leo ametembea Uhuru Tigania West, akatembea Mwerere Tigania East, akaenda Kangeta Igembe Central na Lare Igembe North, na akamalizia Maua ambapo saa hii governor wetu ameflag off kile chakula. Cha muhimu ni kwamba wananchi wamesema kile chakula kipewa priority mashule zetu. Pahali tuko na watoto ambao wanaumia. So sisi tunaomba kwa unyenyekevu mwingi sana to support governor wetu, to support county commissioner, ndio tuweze kukua kile chakula kimefika kwa wale watu ambao wamepitia hili janga kubwa la kukosa chakula. Hii wiki ambayo tunaenda, governor wetu anawahakikishia wakaaji wa Meru ya kwamba ataendelea kuchapa kazi. Kwa wale wanajua masisi ama mawaziri wa serikali ya county ndio wanapitia vetting, chief officer pia wanafanya interviews kwa county assembly. Kwa hivyo serikali ya mama inaendelea kupata nguvu. Hii mikutano mnaona mama akifanya mikutano 4, mikutano 5 kwa siku. Gavana mama anasema ikifikia serikali yake yote iko fully constituted, kazi wa Meru wataona ndani ya hii Meru yetu itakuwa kazi ambayo tujaiona katika ugatuzi ama katika serikali ambazo zimepita hapo awali. Kwa wakaji wetu wa Meru tunawaomba muendelee kutusikiza. We are asking you to continue joining us in these press briefings. You continue viewing our social media pages. Our local media houses will be passing the relevant information that is coming from our county government. So with those few and many remarks, we want to say thank you very much for listening to us. Thank you very much for watching us. We'll endeavor to serve the people of Meru. I go by the name of Advocate Hillary Sande, the official Meru County Government spokesperson. Asante sana. Ibwega akaribeto ba Meru mugeni netobo tukukena kwithura na babwe kaire juma inge indongi emarietwa ki barato teregana kana barabate mbona rua betawa wakili Hillary Sande urawe mwario munene wa thirikari ya Meru County otaura governor wetu excellency governor Kawira Mwangaza abwirire thirikari yewe ni thirikari ya mwananchi, thirikari ya governor ni mama ni thirikari ya wiru area tukabwira makarika na jara jonde jokarika ndene ya Meru County. Narua turenda kuambiria na matangazo na mantu jara cha kuendelea ndene ya Meru County itukuyietwa narua kuombeka kwithirwa kwina maandamano aja Meru town ja antuba taxi aria kwina usemi borongo bakuga ngavana na araugire kwi atongeria go support kana kwi antu akwendekikia bachoka mutindo ba control taxira chi ara town. Ngavana naugire na nachokerete kuga magita jonde naugite kithirikari ewe ni mwananchi ukethirwa akiuga nikyo gitumi kinyapo gatega ki pages chetu cha mitandao kana TV na chetu nibukona batu tugutangaza tukera mu Meru area tukwenda kwithirwa kwina ira itawa public participation, yani babu umira buge urabu kwenda thirikari ibwitira ngugi. Kwau tangazo ira twinayo ni juma ya kiumia kitu itite area Kinoru Stadium daijere ene ba taxi ngare iji nini cho paritata taxi aja taunine na mugutano na barabetherwa na sienta gaitinda era bwa River nibukoromba ni governor wetu na MCO municipality bagwatanirite tumbe gukinya ara Kinoru stadium tumbe kwithirwa na kwaraniria bwire governor wetu ura operations cha taxi bukwenda chithirwa chi aja town kira governor ate kwenda kati kwenda kwithirwa kwi baba kunyanya sabangi ku governor wetu na kuburomba na kunyia guku nene na kubutangazira abwira utiwe arauga na gu support na utiwe akuga eje ainyiria governor ariuga babwe stakeholders ba biashara yu ya kuringa matatu cha taxi mutindwa na mugutano tafadhali ije ni bwire ngavana ni atongeria beko bukwenda aitaniria nabo ngugi ikenda mutindo jwetu jwithirwa jwina ira itawa law and order. Gavana wetu kiria ugite ati kwenda kuigwa kwibo bakai bakwinyiria bangi kana kwibo bagwitia kinya kibioko bia thirikari county. Gavana arenda kwithirwa kwina mutaratara ara taunine ikenda kwithirwa kwina ngwataniro na thiri ndene ya Meru county yetu. Koi tukuromba na kuinyia guku nene ene ba taxi bonde na stakeholders barabaringa biashara ya taxi mutindo wetu jwa kangangi na barabetherwa makutano na barabena sienta bonde kedera we stakeholder wa taxi in Meru county tafadhali tuchemanie mugutano itokuringeri report twero kinya kwiboba kunyanyasa antu nkobo tafadhali. Gavana atira eda na ruda ro kunyanyasana. Gavana augite we kira kwenda ni kana Kameru kederwa kamenyeri. Nkoroki Jumamosi weekend ire kurukire Deputy Governor wetu Reverend Mutuma Idingia na ariara Embu tete kumwakilisha gavana wetu ara kwari na kiriro gikinene kya kwithirwa kwina ndoa inene ara ndene Meru county to be specific gwitawa Siakago ara gukwirwa kwina wamba bunene na barabe ara Embu bariuga ni Meru bakuia ko kwithirwa kwina ndoa inene ya bidi atongeria beto bakinyara ikenda bethro bena rwaria na ikenda kwithirwa kwina ngwataniro na Deputy Governor wetu na wakilishire Governor wetu bwega na kwithirwa na rwaria rwega na kwithirwa kwina ngwataniro na kwithirwa kwina thiri. Ko batu atukuromba na tukwira Meru bonde thirikari county government itongeretwe ni Governor wetu Kawira Mwangaza ni thirikari thiri na tukethirwa tukinya area magita jonde kwithirwa kwina thiri ndene Meru county na kinyaki county chietu ira chiriganiritie na batwe na kinyaki ndiguru yetu yonde ya Kenya. Nkoroki ntuko ya Jumatatu gavana wetu na thitheria muchemanio na ira yetawa Pharmacy and Poisons Board batongeretwe ni mutongeria wao wetawa Julius Kaluai. Gitumi gya kweja Kaluai na board ira yao abatwirire ibetere bethira aitinguge beire ndene ya sibitari ya Mutwate sub county hospital bethira kwina baire be kuria patina qualification irache kwendeka bethira bagita nguge ge sibitari ira ko kwethira gukethira kwina msako kukurukira board ira iburi kwethira igetagaira na kuona kila mtu rogwita nguge sibitari ne na qualification ira ikwendeka. Board ira ne ero authority ne ero mandate ni Governor wetu itegera masibatari jeto jonde kwithiro kwina antu baraba gwita nguge both ge kwendia ndawa kweja na ndawa na kudumia antu beto sibitari bethiro bena qualification ira ikwendeka na Governor wetu na kuromba na arabu kaigwa kwina wasiwasi tukinyithiria ni report ikenda tomba kumukinyithiria Governor wetu ga kwenda kwithirwa utino kwina tachwishi ki county government yetu. Koroki Governor wetu na ariongire Kangeta ward Igembe Central ara ejanire cheki cha milioni 2,775,700 2,475,700 mbecha hizi cha ejanoro ki kundi 25 mbecha hizi chiritumирika ke kugura mbeu iria amemba ba ikundi bibi bagatumira kwanda ni kuona ni Governor wetu na wendo na kumenya kwina mpara na nakaritie kana kawe itware na kagita kaka dongi aria ndene ya Kangeta ward na Governor wetu akwariria na bawe ikware na gikeno gikinene nkoroki gavana wetu bukarikana kiumia kiria giakurukire na ari mitungu na aria ari na project ira ya sponsi mewas kwithirwa kwina project ikathithwa aria ikudeal na sewage ira gatumirwa kuthithia ruji na ndi kimuchamano juria na ikio gitumi gavana gwita mashinani gavana naerirwo kwina thina inene nchobi na untu gavana ni gavana wina kirauni na gavana wa kuga na kugita na atumire bodi ewe itongeretwo ni CEO barariunga nturere mitungu na uma ore mwananchi aririte na kiriro kyawe gikiama bodi ni ethire kwina mba chigwita ngugi area chia kwina skuru area chia kwina nja chianto na board irageta ore batera kugita ira revoke license iria kwa antu betu nibukwa na gavana wetu akinyirwa ni malalimishi jenu itu antu betu gavana na kwita ngugi urakubatere kwa gavana wetu na kuburomba na kwinyia guku nene boigwa kwina malalamishi na kwina wendia bwa nchobi urakubatere afisa ba county bario baraba kure wa michara ire ni obichi yetu ntomo yu yamukinyira gavana akaeja na directive yu egaitiro ngugi uria kubatere gavana na ariungire Mudhara ward dene Mudhara ward ari akwina Mudhara market gavana arona ikundi bingi 26 groups na chio araba cheki ya milioni ijere ngiri magana jatantatu na 2,640,000 ichaejanirwe ke kundi 26 becha iria nicha gutumirwa ni kundi biria kugura mbeu ikenda bomba kwanda igita riri kwina mpara kwana ni gavana wetu nendete ana bawe na kabaitira ngugi uria kubatere gavana wetu bena deputy governor Reverend Mutuma Ntoithingia na MCAs ne bare Remoro Chiefs Camp Adhoana Ward Tigania West Sub County araba nenkanire cheki inge cha milioni ijere ngiri magana athatu ngiri ithano na chiringi 800 2,305,800 ni chetera ke ikundi 25 ara Remoro Chief Camp Adhoana Ward Tigania West Sub County embecha ichi bado ni cha gutumirika gutetheria kugura mbeu iriga tumirwa ni arimi baraba ikundi biria ikenda bomba gukiria mugongo jwao na ikenda tumba kuthiria mpara irendene ya Meru County gavana wetu ntuko yu akuma au na ariungire Thangatha Ward Tigania East bena deputy owe Reverend Mutuma Ntoithingia na MCAs ba area yu na kukurea banenkanira cheki ingi ya milioni ijere 2,594,620 ireta ke ikundi 25 bado mbecha iji ni cha gutumirika gutetheria kugura mbeu arimi betu bagure mbeu ikenda bande area na ikenda bomba gukuria irio na ikenda tumba kuthiria thina yitu inayo inene ya mpara inde kya maana kiria gavana anotere tuyara Thangatha na nerire antu ba Thangatha na berire onto ikundi bibi bya thurirwe gutina umenyo na gutina wirane gavana naugira gwita na mbere kethirika yeje ya county antu bakerawa tukabutangaza ira tukabwira na aria mbecha chiri mbecha wichi yao na ubati kuikinyira ata ikenda mantu jaja atikathithwe na witho kaire na ikenda kana konde Kameru komba gutetheka to aria Thangatha ambassador Maasla apostle Maraga Baichu na rikanira Maasla na rikanara Thangatha kwina muthetu jwithairwo aria tuthitha ya nyungu na onto iwe cultural ambassador na iwe hustler ambassador aromba ba mami bara badida ya nyongo ne badithia kampuni kana ba register ira itawa business name ba merete aja Meru County kenyongo ira chikagurwa cha kwanda nyaki cha kwanda maua na kuthithia mantu ja maingi aja Meru County tenda eu yewe kurubara bara dangatha ikenda bomba gukiria mugongo jwenu kou antu betu ba Meru nibuko na hustler na ko gutetera ito tafadhali kirabo kurombo onto deadline ikirwo Jumatatu thainya kethira utareta kampuni ekwaja kethira utareta maratasi jaku ja business name kana biashara rietwa kana kampuni eku tafadhali lete niyo bichine yetu procurement ikenda thirikari ya mberia kweja na ira chieta watenda kampuni yenu ithurwe ni kwewa tukwe Jumatano gavana wetu na mbiririe kweja na irio bya msaada bila bieje nwe thirikari ya president uratwendete William Samoei Ruto. Gavana wetu na chokeria nkatho President Ruto na no akumuchokeria nkatho bena munini wa Rigathi Gachagua onto bago tutetheria na irio biria gavana wetu na ugite bitita kinja itonga irio biria bitita kinja cha bia nja cha tongeria irio biria bigeta ki ana ba Meru bara bathangikite kurube tubajojo betu bara bakuri bara batina uwezo ni bonga gavana wetu akwenda irio bibakinyira kou tukwira Jumatano arakirwa Chiefs Camp gavana wetu na flagira off miuko magana jaire 50 ya muchere 250 kg yani miuko 250 ya 50 kg ya muchere na miuko 300 ya 60 ya 50 ya kilo 50 ya beans nayo iraeja no area bore sub county kirwa Chiefs Camp gitumi tukutangaza miuko ije kweja no magana jaire ja 50 na magana jada to ja 60 ikenda antobeto bamenya ni miuko ngana yongwa yejene na yejeno keo na kinyaga bana wetu na kuga oro kaewa na nara kweja no ya ejanwa na ore kwejanwa ikabandikwa area ke kambe chibu ikenda mwananchi eja akathoma na akaona na ikenda omba gwita gufuatilia na area anturene gavana wetu akuma kirwa netere Timau na gukinya Timau arathithio ou araeja na michere area na beans area araeja na yonde arauganite ki antu bara bena thine mpara kabisa boitu kuromba twinde antu ba Meru itwendelee go support gavana wetu arena kiao na kana Kameru ikenda mugongo jwetu jumba gukira gavana wetu no twira kweja na irio nira itawa na gichunko short term yani gikagita kaka thaichi ende kentuko cha kwaraja ira twitite gavana wetu na kwenda ndoje ikinya kenja chietu gavana wetu na kwenda twenje ira chieta wa Boaus na gichunko idhima gavana wetu na kwenda twenja ira itecha wa dams ikenda twithira twina ndoje ndene ya Meru County kou na kuinyi ya goko nene gavana ga kwenda mawaziri batonyo bichine bara beta wa chief officers batonyo bichine ikenda mikakati yena yo ya ntuko chara ya chakuraja yomba gukinyira kana Kameru na ikenda Meru County yomba gutetheka ngoroki gavana wetu na ethete idhini kali kimtu wonde oroka thuganirio bibi bya usaidizi ni bya gwita kwendwa kana bya gwita kweja no akinja ya tongeria gavana wetu ugite irio bibi birita ki antu bara bena mpara antu bara batikuona toro tuku ko tafadhali kedera ugwa no irresponsibility kana mamlaka ja kweja na irio biria tafadhali nenkanira irio biria ke ana beto kana antu beto bara bena thina ya irio nkoroki gavana wetu akweja na irio ntukweu au kirwa na Timau na umira moja kwa moja eta Naivasha ara Naivasha ibari na muchairman ojo munene na mangavana jange na madepty governor jange na ara bara area uria mbecha chumba kweja na gutumirika bwega ndene account chietu no mwijara magavana ni bakwira na challenges kana mathina jara bokurukira ndene ya account jao na ikyo gitumi governor wetu etete ara kwaraniria na governors bangi bachokaniria kanywa na governor wetu ariuga kumania na muchema na jura na arombere kumenya uria tukona mbecha uria tukamanage mbecha ikenda aja ndene Meru County kana Kameru komba kwithirwa ndika guthetherwa koroki governor wetu tuko ya igoro narare sibitari yetu ya Meru level 5 ara ndene Meru level 5 governor nararugurire iretwa nduka kana kwe ugagatega ugakona nuka obichi ara kwina miwani chikethirwa chikieja nawa na miwani ici chikaeja nawa na kagarama gaka nini tika kawaida karia mumeru agwita ndukene ingi cha kawaida akagura. Of course ukarea kabecha indi tika becha gaka nene takaria uringitwa ndukene ingi china ome kurukio au gavana wetu narategere naona machine ira tueini athamini betu barabarejere aja ndene Meru County ni kuonania ndene thirikari ya mama kwina itharimo bibi nene bikweja ndene Meru County ara kwina machine cha kuthima medho chitakuonekana ndene Meru ndene ya Kenya yetu mzima iririkana aja Meru County tukethirwa na one of the referral kwethirwa ugwa kwa hospitali nene irawira watu tena machine iji keto hospitali toto nini ende hospitali era level 5 ndegwitithwa ndaraja kwethirwa ina machine nene iria otiombekia gwitare othimwa medho wethirwa tikumenyeka imbio ikwajetie kuwa Meru beto itukurombwa tumbe gukinyara level 5 Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital tuita gutekwa medho jetu tutikeje kura medho na tuina machine cha gututetheria gukaria medho jetu ndene ya Meru County kuruki governor wetu akumau au mamoja kwa moja etaroire araroire na arategere sibitari ira araroire ya sub county na igwa mathina jana inchi akaribaroire barerere governor gutenda awara sibitari beta ara batona utedio burabu kwendekia governor wetu na arerere akaribaroire bena MCA waroire wana Kithinji bagaitaniria ngugia moe gukiria sibitari ira na abonia waziri uria urathurirwe wakurungamira ugima waziri uria umeta buri waziri na araero jukumu ya ku make sure sibitari ira ni gukira ikenda iomba gukaria kana karuire kuruki governor wetu na araero nkobia ingi itharimo bira byo thingata governor wetu ni itharimo bibi ingi kuthira governor wetu na aretero ire gwetwa na gichunko ambassador no ambassador ndene Kenya yonthe wakurungamira kurigeria anto kura medho governor wetu niwe ambassador wakurigeria anto kura medho na governor araugire agaita kinyambecha chiawe cha muko akathithia ire guchwa ya kuandika proposals guchwa partners guchwa dhamini ikenda Meru County ithirwa Meru County ithirwa utemwana wetu kura medho na Kenya mzima onto ni ambassador wa Kenya yonthe ithirwa na kurigeria kura medho ndene ya Kenya yetu kuturira mama wetu governor wetu ongera sana congratulations ni tharimo bio kuthingata onto bawendo borabo nene wina bu ke anto baku Meru governor akumau nare na mire moja kwa moja monka majengo baraba tagaira kana baraba thingataira Meru County twabutangazirite twina dhamini bakuma na ara Japan baraba kwenda na aretere ara majengo ara aretere kuonerwa barabara ira chikathondekwa governor wetu ni governor mashinani governor wetu na ugire ya kinyatha inyanya ageta mashinani ageta kuona uria aitinguge bathirikari bagwita ngugi kuwe goro gintu tha 10 na aretere na ara majengo atonya na majengo araniria na akariba majengo akari barabara ake ni sana barabara iguru bena kugwirwo guku nene barabara ona je kabate karona ngavana ni barare na ngavana wao ngavana ni mama abera kukurukira mradi jojo ana beto baba inge ana nkurukia ngirijere bakandikwa na bakare yagwa ngiri magana mugwanja ja 50 ontuko ko ngavana na kuromba akari beto ba majengo aria na gitimbine ngo tukethirwa na ira itawa public participation ikenda babu akariba majengo bweja buga ni ana be kubukuona be na thina ire kwandikwa ngugi ikenda bomba kuthithia barabara iria gavana wetu ariuga kethere ni kwandikana ngugi antu ba ntura iu ni bomba kandikwa ngugi ko antu ba majengo tukwe Jumaine umereni kwa wingi bweja buga no bukwenda andikwa ngugi ikenda baethirwa ibo ana baraba kona skill kana umenyo buria bakuthithia barabara iria athamini baraba gakara Meru enkurukia miaka 2 akwe miaka 3 kana nkurukia miaka 3 koito kwiro tubagwate ugeni twabona na ara ntorene bakundayaga ochuru twabona na ara ntorene bakaribishe onto abatureterete utethio ndene Meru County bakarabwega bakena bwega no bagachokia report chieto cha Meru County injega ikenda bomba gwita ntura inge nyinge patuthithia barabara na technology ewe nayo injeru enarua gavana wetu no kare uru tigania west murire tigania east kangeta igembe central lare igembe north na maua igembe south gavana wetu no kare uru tigania west murire tigania east kangeta igembe central lare igembe north maua igembe south iji onkada iye na area akeja na irio gavana wetu na gwita ate kweja na irio kienyeji arita area na MCA arago kombe ka kethirwa na MP taito kare na MP taitomo ikenda tomba kwaraniria na inchi bauga ni ntora ikukana iya anto beko bakuona be na mpara ire tomba kurara na kukurukira kwaraniria na inchi ke areas ichonde gavana nererwe irio BBI relief bira biumite ke national government bete ke maskuru jeto na binge bigeta ke anto beto baraba na mawathe na binge bigeta ke bajojo beto baraba tukumba gwitanguge ko gavana wetu na kuinyeria na akauga irio bibi bigeta maskuru jeto ikenda ana beto at least bomba kuthoma bena irio biongereka binge bigeta ke anto baraba kurakura na binge bigeta ke mawathe niko kurukira kwaraniria na mwananchi gavana wetu akomba ku make decisions irache komba gutetheria kana Kameru tukithiria twaburikania twabwirire o Jumat chionde tuketherwa twina babwe tukibwira mabato gwita ngugi nkuruki onto gavana wetu ni mwiti ngugi na gavana ariuga mambo ni bado nindetete kuthaganwa mawaziri bawe nindetete kuewa baraba karunga mira mbecha ma chief officer na ugete Meru County arenda kumithambia na amithimukure amithambie na amithimukure ura gukwendeka ko kana Kameru kaigwa wina ogwa thirikari ya gavana ni mama niyo thirikari ira turomberete miaka mingi na gavana ariuga ke miaka ire amukamwa miaka 10 abwitira ngugi na kiao onto bubu amwikira ngugi ebo mwenderete ecindana na nchamba inene na intamburuku ino bwa muyirwa kiao na ariuga akabwitira ngugi urakobatere batu atukubwira kyo bichieje ya mwario munene wa thirikari ya county makarika jonde jarajaga akarika tukethirwa tukibwira tathai kiumekete akuruka turabwirite twabwira kukethirwa na ichi chigwitwa public participation twabwira nturene ira chikethirwa bwenderea gututhikira tukenderea kubwira onto ni ngugi ira gavana ni mama atwite twenderea kurombera gavana wetu twenderea kurombera itingugi ba thirikari ya county ikenda baita ngugi bena kuendera mwananchi bekira mwathani na bakienda gutethia county yetu yuma kuma ke mundu jurario twatukuga tuti igitene gya siasa matutu igitene ra gwita ngugi ni Meru ka makira thirikari ya gavana ni mama one kethera ni kumwitira ngugi urakubatere inkathiriria au na kubwira bwithirwe na weekend ndongi ina itharimo nini mwario munene wa thirikari ya county wakili Hillary Sandy. Asante sana.